They followed a sound and vanished forever. Deep in the Himalayas, there's a village that walked into the mountains and was never seen again. It's an ancient Tibetan legend that dates back hundreds of years. One day, the villagers were working in their fields when they heard a strange sound coming from the mountains. It was a low, hypnotic hum that seemed to be calling out to them. So they put down their tools, followed the sound, and walked into the mountains. As they walked, the sound grew louder and more intense, and as they climbed higher and higher, the air grew colder and the wind began to howl. But still they pressed on, deeper and deeper into the mountains. And then, just as suddenly as it began, the sound stopped. And when the villagers looked around, they realized that they were alone. They had walked into the mountains and vanished forever. What did they hear?